Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to jump start this vehicle since the battery is not really accessible. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Okay, so first I will show you where the battery is located. So it's gonna be all the way down there. You can see it all the way down there, so it's pretty much impossible to reach it with jumper cables, and the only way to access it or to replace it is to remove the front left wheel and then remove this inner fender and pull out the battery. So for that reason I decided to record a short video on how to jump start this vehicle. Now here under this cover you have a jumping point, so here you will connect the positive and right here you will connect the negative cable. Okay, and I will quickly show you that as well. So that positive to the positive and negative to the negative, right? And that's all you have to do, and if your battery is empty or dead, this should start the vehicle. So there is no need to reach all the way down to the battery or to replace the battery, so this should work out for you. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.